What I like with hiking, it's, the goal. It's the top of the mountain. I'm Raphael Martin, IT architect in BCG Platinion, with a specialization in cybersecurity. Santiago is really a great city. It's really easy to go in the nature. I go on the mountain in order to be a bit isolated from the light of the city. On the mountain, you can have a great view, stars and galaxy and constellation. It's also a great way to be disconnected, and the only thing you have to do is one step and another, and maybe the best point is when you are on the top, you look back and here you can see all the way you already passed. And this is like at the end of the project when you see where was the start, what you had at the start and what is the end. It's a great view. We have a clear goal when we are talking about cybersecurity, which is to protect a company. We are talking here about cryptography, banking transaction, or personal data, health data, and a lot of things that we don't want to make public. There is a lot of change in cybersecurity because if technology evolves, security have to adapt to this new context, the new needs of the business. A lot of evolution all the time. If you introduce the cybersecurity at the start, it will cost you a lot less than correcting in the future. Cybersecurity is not a topic for only cybersecurity team. BCG Platinion will help to define the process, to implement some tools, but it's really the responsibility of everyone in the company. If you like to learn and if you are curious, BCG Platinion is the place for you.